Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to be back. Guys, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, so we're gonna make it a banger video today. We're doing the vending machine only challenge. So let's get it. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and make sure to smash that like button. This video took a lot of attempts. It was a hard video to record, so you better go down in the description and smash that like button. Let's go for 20 likes on this video. It'd be amazing if we can hit that. Yeah, this challenge took a lot of attempts. But, hey, it's a video. It might be one, it might not. Stick to the end to see. Alright, let's see. Where are the vending machines? I know that there can be 3 in Loot Lake and then 1 on the outskirts of Loot Lake. But yeah. Alright, let's see. The vending machine right up here. What the heck? Okay. Oh, there's someone behind me. Alright. It's in the vending machine. Oh, heavy AK. Let's go. Alright, some mats. Hold up. This guy, he's doo-doo. You literally have an AK. Oh, okay, I'm being sniped at. Alright. Just leave me alone for a minute. Alright, let's see what's inside of this place. I'm only allowed to pick up healables from other players. And mats and like traps, but I'm not allowed to pick up their guns. I can only pick up the guns from the vending machines. Like I can't pick up items either like that. I can only pick up like healables and stuff. Trust me, I'm sticking to the challenge. I'm not gonna disobey the challenge. I'm gonna get whatever items I get from these. So yeah, let's get it. There is a vending machine down here. Alright. Shotgun. Okay, shotgun. Yeet. Yeah, yeet, dab. You got the loot. I have loot too, but I can't even pick up your loot, so yeah. It's alright. I got good loot right now. I'm happy with the start of this game. Let's go. Oh crap, this guy's scary. Just wait, watch. Yeah, see, he's amazing. He's a god. Can't even hit his shots. So I just like to mess with him here. Oh crap, what the heck? The heck was that? Oh, there's a roof above me? That's so weird. Bro, why does everyone view you now? Like everyone is watching you now. Wow, none of those shots hit. I'm still mad about the update to the heavy assault or heavy AKs. That's pretty bad. Let's get his loot real quick. you have any AR ammo? Let's see here. Yeah, he does. And some minis for me. Ooh, okay. You got the loot for me, buddy. Alright, let's see. Is there anyone over here or anything? Oh, the supply drop just got shot down, so yeah. There's someone over here. Hamster balls are so much fun to just mess around with. It's so much fun. That's how I traveled to my the other vending machines. The hamster ball. But yeah, I don't know if I like this update or not. So far the players have been like tryhards and stuff, and it's like so hard to get wins. But yeah, sometimes I feel like I'm running into only noobs as well. It's kind of weird. And the SMGs are way too OP. People just spam you the whole entire time with SMGs. This guy right there. One shot. Hit. And buddy, I think that you missed. I think that you were meaning to shoot it over the mountain. That's just a guess. That's not true. Oh, Harry Pottered myself. What the heck is this guy doing? Okay. Sweat. Harry Potter again. Watch this guy. Can't hit my shots either, but watch this. This is what I hate about cleaners. And I didn't realize that I was facing the wrong side because I just had to keep spam building because of this guy. You're dead. Oh my god, the bloom. Okay, no fall damage. Perfect. My loot now, boy. You have no resources now, boy. Oh, hamster ball over there. People use hamster balls all the time. It's so funny. Okay. Oh my god. On doo-doo. I think that I hear something. Hamster ball, yep. Oh my. What did I say? Good shot, baby. Come here, boy. Give me the minis. Okay. Alright. Let's get it. I'm sure that it's still recording. There we go. Let's get it. Oh, I thought that was a guy. That's just a plant. I don't want to take any fall damage. Build up real quick. Okay, what the heck is this? Just wasting your resources, Day? It is. Resources is becoming a problem though. People just rush you all the time. Oh, Another guy with a freaking hamster ball. What, you're scared of me? Okay then. Bye. What the heck was that? I'm gonna look for him. Watch this. Oh crap, it's good. 5 viewers. Still. People just, they don't stop watching it. Oh, yeah, we gotta break that to peek. Do that peeking thing. Huh? Swear that he was on. Swear he was. He's building up. Building up. And this guy had a pretty good build fight here. He's building. I ran out of resources, so you know, or not ran out, but starting to. You know. Yeah. Oh my! How did that not hit him out of the sky? What the heck? He's low. Fall damage? From that height? How? Let's go rush him. 5 kills, 9 people left. Let's go. Okay, that was good. Oh my god, this guy's hitting his shots. Ran out of resources. Crap, bro. Holding up now. Somebody over there, bro. There's somebody rushing us. What are you doing? Come on. Ooh. Alright. I know that there's someone over. I gotta wait. Let's get this chug jug off. Come on. No launch pad, alright. That guy, I think he just gave up, basically. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Alright. We're doing pretty good on mats. Get set up in the circle real quick. wrong angle placement. Oh, somebody just sniped at me. Okay, just leave me alone. After that edit speed. Pretty bad, I know. Yeah, edit it out. Sniping at someone else now. And I'm good. Not inside the circle, alright. Sorry for the edit speed again. Alright, let's build up to this mountain. I'm shooting down that supply drop, sipple drop. We're getting low on mats. Oh my god, that was terrible building. Terrible. Let's get some mats from that tree real quick. Yeah. You already know. Peek. Edit peek or whatever. What the heck? Okay, that's so weird. Racing through my own buildings, making sure that I get it correct. Spawning editing quickly. So I do not want to mess up that. Alright, there we go. So I switched over to the recording. I placed that trap right there. Just as the recording started. Like this part of it. Fighting. Alright, I don't want to get in that because I don't want to have to restart this challenge. Another guy. I think that's the same guy from earlier. Scared of me? It is, isn't it? I think it's a soccer skin. Yeah, that's the guy. That's when this was. That is. Oh crap. Oh my god, repair. Just repair. Just repair. Why isn't it repairing? There we go. Just keep spamming. Oh my god, just keep spamming, yep. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to win this. Oh my god, I can't hit my shots. Really? So low. Oh no, no, no. Leave me alone, please. Yeah, shoot at him. Leave me alone. I'm out of mats. I'm so low on mats. Come on, just stop. Stop. Gosh, oh my god. Leave me alone. Yeah. Oh yeah. Go. Mid them toes, boy. I placed the wrong thing, sorry. Use that. 8 kills, 4 people left. Okay, let's get set up in a circle. Oh, there's somebody, 2 people right there. I just need to box myself in. Oh, he just sniped him. Okay. That was bad editing speed because I was scared if I opened it up. It would be right there. Well, I got circle technically, like, I only have to go straight that way. for the storm to start going in. And yeah, that is our time to pounce on the people. I know that there's someone on the mountain, but where's the other guy? What? Alright. I'm down. I'm waiting. Or not, okay. Okay. You're just leaving me alone. You can leave me alone. That as I go shot and I can't hit my shots, so. Oh, you're just gonna shoot at him? I was fighting him. I guess you can kill him if you want. There you go. Shot, let's go. I'll build inside the circle real quick. No, I didn't want to shoot. Oh crap, it's my last mat. No fall damage, thank you. Whew. What skin is this guy? And it is Omega. Let's go, you guys. First video back. Thank you. Subscribe, leave a like.